Hi dear children, how are you? Are you fine? Last class we have started our English textbook first lesson and we are going to continue with the same lesson today. Last class we saw the central character Till reached the court of Archduke and there he met Captain of Guards and Captain of Guards presented Till before the Archduke and Archduke was impressed by the splendid painting presented by Till and he appointed Till as his court painter. And then Archduke was so much impressed by the polite words of Till, then he ordered to give food and drink to Till and his doggy Jeff. There we stopped in our last class. Today we are going to see what's going to happen to Till.
Before long, supper was served and was like a wedding feast. The tables were loaded with every kind of food and drink. Wine flowed like water. The courtiers stuffed themselves with the choicest dishes. The Archduke made Till eat and drink until his stomach was about to burst. The Archduke too ate heartily. His face was flushed with drink, but he seemed lost in thought. He suddenly looked up and said loudly, "Our court painter must paint our portrait, so that we will have the satisfaction of leaving our memory to our descendants. We too have to take our place in history along with our noble ancestors whose portraits adorn these walls. It is sad to think of death. We do not know when God will think fit to summon us, but our portrait should be painted." A rich feast was served before our central character Till. It was like a wedding feast. The table was filled with different types of food and drink. Wine flowed like water, and courtiers had enough food of their choicest dishes. The Archduke made Till eat and drink until his stomach was going to burst then. Archduke also had food and his face flushed red in color with the drink, but he was actually lost in his thought. And what was his thought? Then suddenly he looked up and said, their court painter should paint their picture, because by painting their picture they can leave their memory to their descendants. In their court were a lot of pictures of their noble ancestors, and king wanted a place among them. So, and because people are not sure about their death, when it will happen, so he want his portrait should be painted. Till quickly replied, "Your lordship's slightest wish is to me command. All the same, I do feel rather unhappy about painting your lordship all by yourself. Is it not terrible to think of your lordship being lonely for ever and ever? Don't you think, ladies and gentlemen, that His Highness should be accompanied at least by Her Highness, her ladies, the noble generals and captains who adorn this court? A court like this has few rivals in splendor, loveliness and chivalry. In the midst of such valor and beauty, I will make my lord and lady shine forth like the moon surrounded by lanterns." By hearing Archduke's wish, Till quickly replied, he is ready to fulfill any wish of Archduke. At the same time, he expressed his unhappiness in one matter, because in his opinion, it's terrible to think Archduke be alone in the portrait. In his opinion, it is good for the picture Archduke should be accompanied with Her Highness, other ladies, noble generals, captains, and all those people could adorn the court. And a great court like this, that court has no rivals in its splendor, loneliness, chivalry. It's very rich. So in the middle of all the valor and beauty, Till decided to paint the Archduke and his wife surrounded by all his courtiers like a moon surrounded by lanterns. He decided to paint a rich, splendid picture. The Archduke thought that it was a good idea. Well, my friend, your painting will be a great piece of art. What reward do you expect for this? 100 pieces of gold. You can pay me now or later, just as you please. Here are the 100 pieces of gold in advance, said the Archduke, giving him the gold. My lord, you are the most generous of masters. You have filled my lamp with oil. It will forever burn in your honor. When Till expressed his idea, the Archduke understood that it was a good idea. He appreciated Till. And King was ready to pay any reward for the painting. And what reward Till wanted? Till wanted 100 pieces of gold. And at the moment itself, Archduke paid the 100 pieces of gold as the reward. Then Till began to express as polite words towards the Archduke that Archduke was the most generous masters in the world. And he said that Archduke, by his act of generosity, he filled his lamp with oil. And he promised that that lamp will burn ever in Archduke's honor.
Okay, dear children, we have seen that Till agreed with Archduke to paint his portrait along with his courtiers. So let's find out what's going to happen.